Hi there. Today we will see how to change filament in Ender 3 V2, means how to add function of filament change while printing. First load the STL file to the Cura. Here we have loaded the STL file in Cura. Now slice this file and click on preview. Here you will see the layer height, so we will set like 24, means after 24 the filament change will occur. So here after 24 we will add a different filament color. To set it like that, first we have to remember this 24 layer number, then go to extension, then go to post processing, modify G-code. Here you have to select this add a script. In this we will see pause at height. This is for when means printer will pause at this particular height for filament change. We'll add this filament, add this script. Here you can see pause at, here it is written height. We have to change it to layer. So as we have seen that there were 24 layer, so we have to change that 24 layer height. So we have written here 24. Now method, we will select BQ M25 method for Ender 3 V2. This is timeout, means how much time the printer will wait for filament change. So we will add it for 200 seconds. Then park print height X, park print head X and park print head Y. This is the location of X and Y axis where the printer will stop for filament change. So we will set it to 20 mm for both X and Y. The retraction means how much filament to be pulled out from the hot end. So we will set it to 50. You can set as per your this tube length. Then we will retraction speed, means how much fast speed we should pull out the filament. So we will set it to 50. And extruder amount, this is for when we have changed the filament, how much filament should be extracted from the nozzle, means if we want to remove the old color filament for that. So we will set it to 50, means 50 mm filament will be extruded from the nozzle. And then there is extruder speed, so we will keep it as it is. Then there is a redo layer, we will take here. Redo is for when we have changed the filament, that time it will redo the same layer again for sticking the both filaments together. Standby time, it is 200 degrees Celsius, means when we are changing the filament it will be on standby for 200 degrees Celsius. It is nozzle speed temperature. Then this is display text. Here we can write which filament we are going to change for our here we will write which filament we are changing, like change to red. This will display on the screen for Ender V3. This will be displayed on the printer screen. This only works for the Jair's firmware, not on the stock firmware of the Ender 3 V2. Then there is G-code pause, G-code before pause and G-code after pause. So here we will write M300 for both. M300 is for buzzer, when printer will stop for a change filament and beep sound will be made from the printer. So we will let know that the filament change time is came. So as this setting is done, we will close this window and again slice it. You can see there is new icon appearing on the screen. This will when we click on this will open, which we can preview our setting again and close it out. So after 24 length this map, we will get the filament change on the printer. So after this 24 layer, we will get another filament. So save it to the file. Now we will save that file in our SD card. I have saved the file in our SD card, and now we will load the SD card to the printer. Here you can see I have upgraded the firmware. So I have upgraded to this firmware. Now we will create the nozzle. Now we will select the file. This file. In this new firmware, there are many things you can see, like this scrolling display, scrolling text of the file. You can see full name of the file, and there are other settings like X location, Y location, and Z location. We have loaded this red filament. Here you can see red filament. I have replaced the filament color. It was red. I have set change to white. Now click print again. It will wait for temperature rise. then it will start printing. Extruding, as we have said, to extrude our 25 mm, so it is doing that. So the red color is easy will get removed. Now it is printing out. If you are using red on white, if you are using white on red, then you must exclude almost at least 100 mm.